gang nigga. Nigga on the trigger, if a nigga wants some smoke, I let the chopper eat his liver. She's a Mona Lisa.
First but not least, you're going to the Vsco, and then you choose one photo you want to affect. And I choose this photo because it just looks so aesthetic. And then after that, you find some AL5 effect. And after you found that, you choose that AL5 effect. It's kind of like a right side. And after that, you're going to the exposures and minimize the exposures to 3.5. And after that, you're going to contrast and minimize the contrast to -2.0. And after that, you're going to the highlight. And after that, you put the highlight to 3.5. And then you're going to the saturation and add saturation to 2.5. After that, you're going to skin tone and just the skin tone and add the skin tone to 2.0 or 2. And yeah, we're gonna save that. And after that, we move to PicsArt. And after that, we move to PicsArt.
Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. She's a Mona Lisa.
And after that, you choose the photo that after going to affect in Vsco and put that. And after you put that, you're going to draw or paint brow. And after that, you're going to the right side and find some bling effect like this. And after you found that, and you make sure that you kind the size of the bling. You put that in the side. I put that in the side probably because this looks so aesthetic, bruh. I put that in the clip and then in the lips. And in the lipstick. And after that, you're gonna bling here, and then you choose the bling in the hair. And after that, choose the golden, and grow that in the corner. All the color in the clothes. And after that, I put the silver one. I put the silver colors because this is kind of like a saturation in this clothes. And after that, put that into gradation. And yeah. And then, after you put that, I choose the blink one. And then, the same size. Put that in the golden colors and silver colors. And make that so aesthetic for me.
She's a Mona Lisa.
And
Everyone's lining up to see her.
I finished that.
She's a Mona Lisa.
And then you save this one and post to your Instagram. Finish.
must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.